guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about affordable makeup brushes. So the makeup brushes that I have, you can easily get them online or even from stores. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the makeup brushes that I have, which I use for my makeup, and these makeup brushes are really good. The quality is amazing and these brushes does not shade at all. So this is the first brush, and this I got from Amazon, and this is the fan brush, which you can use either for your highlighter, or you can also use this for dust out your powder or your eyeshadows. So these comes with a plastic package which covers the bristles like that. So yeah, I really like this one. So the next brush is this Real Techniques powder brush, and this is so soft, and quality of Real Techniques brushes are amazing. So this brush I got from Flipkart, and I got it for 660 rupees, and I really love to apply powder using this. So the next brush I have is this Real Techniques Expert Face brush. You can use this either for your foundation or your contouring or even blush. I've ordered it from Flipkart, and you can get it for around 1000 bucks. The original price is really high, but you can always get it on discount. If you are looking for a brush for your foundation, then this is the best one. The next brushes I have are these eye brushes. These brushes are from Real Techniques and the eye makeup starter kit. And so first brush is this deluxe crease brush, which you can use for applying your base, or you can also apply eyeshadow onto your crease area. So it is really a good brush for your eye makeup. So the next brush in this kit is this one. This is basically a flat kind of brush. So I use this brush to apply my eyeshadow as well as to smudge it. So it's really good. The next brush is this one. This is a small bristle brush. I basically use this brush to apply highlighter onto my inner corner of eyes. So next brush is this angled brush, which I use to fill my eyebrows. And this you can also use to apply kajal or eyeshadow. You can also create a wing using this. You can use it as multi-purpose. The last brush in this kit is this one. I have not used it till yet, but this is basically you can use for your eyeliner purpose. Apart from the Real Techniques eye brushes, I have these two brushes which I got from a local store, and these are from the brand Wiser. It's written wiser.in. It's a multi-purpose brush, and I got it for around 150 bucks. This is the next brush, and this is also from wiser.in, and this is the concealer applicator. So I basically use this brush to apply eyeshadow onto my eyes. I got this eye starter kit from Flipkart, and I got it for around 1200 bucks, and these are my favorite eye makeup brushes. Apart from that, I have these brushes, and these are from BA Small. I got these brushes from Flipkart, and I got it for 1000 bucks. So in 1000 bucks you can get 10 brushes, both for face and for eyes. So I think these are the best brushes for beginners. So these BA Small brushes comes in a packaging like this. The back side, all the descriptions are written over here, so you can check that out. So these brushes comes in a plastic packaging like this. I'll show you one by one how you can use these brushes. This is the first brush, and this is the face round brush. This is the exact similar with the Real Techniques Expert Face brush, which I use for foundation. So this brush is very dense, and this is so soft. This brush to apply your foundation base. So the next brush in this kit is this one. You can use this brush to apply your concealer. It will work really well, and since it has a pointed tip, so you can put your concealer really well. So this is the next brush, and this is a really flat kabuki brush which you can use to apply your powder. This will give a really good compact coverage on to your face. So the next brush that I have in this kit is the face angled brush, and this brush is round and also slant structured, so this will really fit in as a contour brush. So the next brush in this kit is the face flat angled brush. So this is angled and also flat at the same time. You can use this brush as a blush brush. So you can take your blush and then you can this is a really good brush to apply your blush onto your cheeks. So there are 5 eye makeup brushes. The first one is the flat one, the other one is the pointed, and this is the angled flat brush. This is the round flat brush, and this is the round brush. So I'll tell you all the uses of these. Flat brush can be used to apply concealer onto your dark spots, and you can also put your eyeshadows onto your eye area. The second one is the round angle brush, which you can use to apply eyeshadow onto your crease areas or in the middle. This is the angled one, so this will fit really well. So you can put your eyeshadows over here or onto the outer corner of your eyes. So this will work this way. The other one is the flat angle brush. This will also work as a eyeshadow brush. You can put on your eyeshadow using this. The next one is this rounded brush. So you can use this brush as a larger brush. And the next one is this angled brush. So you can put on eye corner of your eyes, whether it's inner or outer. So you can use this as a concealer brush, and you can put your concealer onto your corner of your eyes really well, and over here and here. So this will work really well as a eyeshadow as well as concealer brush.